Avelo Airlines Baggage Policy. Planning to fly with Avelo Airlines? Before you pack your bags, here's what you should know about the Avelo Airlines Baggage Policy. Every passenger is generally allowed to bring one personal item on board at no additional charge. Your personal item must fit underneath the seat in front of you. If you need to bring a carry-on bag or checked baggage, these are available for an additional fee. Purchasing your baggage allowance online before your flight is usually less expensive than paying at the airport. Checked baggage must meet Avelo Airlines size and weight requirements. Bags that exceed the permitted weight or dimensions may be subject to additional charges. To make your travel experience smoother, it's always a good idea to check your baggage allowance before arriving at the airport and pack according to the airline's latest guidelines. If you're unable to reach the official Avelo Airlines customer service number, you may also contact our OTA or Flight Reservation Desk for quick, convenient, and hassle-free booking assistance, baggage-related guidance, or general travel support. Plus 1-800-942-0512 plus 1-978-797-99937. For more detailed information about the Avelo Airlines baggage policy, visit the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching.